Hey Favs, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, and welcome. So while you take your time out to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, we're gonna go to this quick little intro. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm glad you enjoyed that little intro. If we get to 100 subscribers, I know that sounds so little in the grand scheme of things, but hey, I am a new YouTuber right now, and we're gonna celebrate that little mini milestone success. All right, so with further ado, I'm not gonna keep rambling. We're just gonna speed on through this process, and hopefully you will stay into the end. So what I will be doing in this video is taking this down, scratching my scalp, deep conditioning, washing my hair, and also putting it up in a protective style. We will come back the next day, which is in the morning, and show you how it turned out. If it turned out well. Sometimes my hair is just, okay, that's another ramble in itself. All right, enjoy guys. Leave a comment down below if you want to see something else, if you want to see more of this, or whatever you have it. This is just a spur of the moment video. Okay, Faves, listen, I didn't think, did I say wash my hair? Because I'm thinking this is going to be a style for a while. So this video was kind of like, I don't know, probably not finna happen. No, I'm just playing. I'm going to wash it because I got flakes by the bundle, okay? Like, I don't know where if y'all can see them, but they're everywhere. So I just wanted y'all to see how cute I am. You know, too bad I'm taking, but you know, things don't work out. Okay guys, so this is one of my babies. His name is Mr. Blue. I love you. He is a huge male cat that acts like a baby. And he wanted to say hey because he's just been on me. You want to say, oh, he gone. Some of y'all might see some gray in my hair. It is not, it's his fur because it's everywhere. I have fur balls daily. At this point, I don't know how long I have, you know? Just don't know how long I have. Just don't know, you know? That's just a part of being a fur mom, you know? But I digress. Okay guys, so I am about deceased right now. It is midnight 36 and our twists are done. I'm just gonna put some mousse on it, wrap it down, and then when I wake up, I will probably untwist them if they are fully dry. And you know, like I know they won't be. You know, 4C hair. We ain't gonna be dry until Friday, okay? But all right, good night, babes, and see you whenever I figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Okay guys, so this is the end result of my twist out. I took them down. They finally dried about noonish today while I was at work. And we're probably gonna wear this up for the night. And then it's going in the puff tomorrow. Just saying. Well, that's it. That's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully by now you have subscribed to my channel and liked this video. Be sure to hit the notification bell below here. And I will catch y'all next time. Bye guys.